If you're using an iPhone, there's a high chance Safari is quietly tracking you, slowing down your phone, and sharing your data, and you don't even know it. Today, I'll show you the exact Safari settings Apple doesn't explain, so you can browse faster, safer, and privately. Stay till the end. One setting alone can save your privacy. Every iPhone user uses Safari for Google searches, YouTube videos, shopping, banking, everything. But most people never touch the settings, and that's where the problem starts. Let's fix that, step by step. Step 1. Grab your iPhone. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Safari. You'll see several sections. Stay with me. Step 2. Turn on Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. This stops websites from following you across the internet. So if you visit Amazon, it won't know you later watched YouTube or opened Facebook. Now enable Hide IP Address from trackers. Your IP address reveals your location, network, and country. Turning this on is like wearing a mask while browsing. Make sure Fraudulent Website Warning stays on. This protects you from fake bank pages, fake Gmail logins, and scam sites. Apple updates this protection constantly. Don't turn it off. Step 3. Turn off search engine suggestions. This sends every word you type to Google or Bing before you even hit search. That's a direct privacy leak. Turn off Safari suggestions as well. This sends your typing activity to Apple's servers. You don't need it. Your searches will work perfectly without it. If you don't regularly search inside sites like Wikipedia or YouTube, turn this off. Less data sent equals better privacy. Step 4. Now tap Clear History and Website Data. This removes cookies, cache, and stored tracking data. Especially important if you bought a used iPhone or shared your device. Do this every 1 or 2 weeks to keep Safari fast. Step 5. Go to Advanced, Website Data. Here you'll see every website storing files on your phone. If you notice anything suspicious or unfamiliar, tap Remove All Website Data. Step 6. Set camera, microphone, and location to Ask. This means Safari must ask before any site can access them. No silent spying, no surprises. Step 7. Set downloads to On My iPhone, not iCloud. This protects privacy and saves cloud storage. Set Close tabs to after 1 day. Old tabs slow Safari and waste memory. Review all Safari extensions. Delete anything you don't fully trust. Some extensions secretly track you. Safari is powerful, but only if you control it. Without these settings, it's an open door to tracking, ads, and slowdowns. Take 10 minutes today and protect your digital life. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with another iPhone user because privacy matters. See you in the next one.